Bit of a boring shot for you watching a kettle boil though, eh?
Hello everybody, welcome back to WA UK. So today my plan is to finish off some jobs that I've started that I've not yet got to finish. Stuff like put this strip on, fit the backlights. Unfortunately to do this is not going to be much filming because I'm going to be underneath the trailer most of the day and I don't think I'm going to have much room to take my camera on the tripod. I'll try where I can, obviously, but yeah, it's going to be a pretty boring video if I do that. Probably a little bit more boring than wiring up the lights that you saw last time. So for now I'm going to crack on. Where I can film I will, and I do apologise if the video is a little bit short and a little bit boring, but I just want to keep you all in the loop so you can see the progress on the trailer. As you saw me walking in just before, I have brought a brew kit with me, so my plan was to make a brew and stay here quite a while today. Probably going to be here for 4 or 5 hours today, just working on the trailer, just catching up on little jobs, stuff like cleaning it out because it's a shit tip in here. Yeah, okay, so absolutely brilliant. Thank you for tuning in once more and coming to watch my little project here progress. I will speak to you probably towards the end of the video, but for now I'll just roll in some footage. Thank you very much, guys.
I'm making a brew on the trailer. Well chuffed, brilliant. Bit of a boring shot for you watching a kettle boil though, eh?
Okay folks, welcome back. I've been underneath, I've sorted out all the wiring, I've tidied it up a bit and given myself a bit more length here just to work with. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these old lights off, which I'll zoom in and show you now, and I'll put the new lights on and hopefully wire them all in.
So, pop quiz, which ones are we going to stick on, the little ones or the bigger ones? Now if you look at the back of the trailer, there's quite a lot of nonsense to cover up there, so I'm thinking I'm going to go for the bigger ones. I actually prefer them, and I prefer the bulb type instead of the LED type, because if a bulb goes out you can replace that. If an LED goes out, you're a bit snookered out in the field. So yeah, I think I'm going to go for this one. I'm just going to stick it on now off camera. Yes people, look who's in. Old Cindy's come into the barn for a bit of a play, and there's a reason for that. Right, let's walk you around the back and give you a quick look into what I've been up to this afternoon. So just trundling around the back. We'll start off by seeing we now have kitchen lighting. kitchen lighting all wired up. None of it's wired into switches, just the wires are going into the cab where I've got a little temporary battery and they're wired into that, which is brilliant. But also, if we look down here, oops, we have now got the lights all wired up, all working as they should. Brakes when it brakes, indicates when it indicates, and side lights, so all that's perfect. The other job we've quickly done, sorry I'm going the long way around because I've got all the wires and I'm right up to the tow hitch, quickly run round, is we've wired in the red light, which is, let's see if I can see it, just here is the red light. So again, it's not wired into switches, all the wires are in through a hole just up here. I don't know if you can see that, it's very dark up there. The wires run around down the inside of the trunking, they come out at the bottom down here and they run along the floor to there where I've got the little temporary battery. I'll quickly pull them wires out because they're going to the back lights at the moment. But yeah, I'm overall very happy with the work I've accomplished today. It was just a case of coming down and just tying up loose ends. Parts I've had for ages just sat in the back of the trailer just waiting to be fitted. Also, you'll notice that I've got an extremely long hose now for my cooker, which is brilliant, because now that will hopefully reach to the front, which is where the gas bottle is going to live, which I think I touched on in one of my first videos. Obviously I'm going to get a smaller gas bottle because that won't shut at the moment because it's too high up. So I'm going to get one of the smaller, I think the 5 litre gas bottles. Okay people, thank you for watching as always. Please like, share and subscribe. Recommend me to your friends so we get a few more subscribers going. Hopefully, all being well, today's Good Friday, so happy Easter to all of those who do celebrate it. Tomorrow I'm at work, Saturday evening I'm hoping to come back, hook it up to the back of the Land Rover and shoot off just to a local field just for an overnighter. That was the whole point of today. I've even gone in and bought some tea and coffee, water is all in the bowser just ready. So all that's left for me to do now is just to have a quick tidy up, pack all my tools away because they're all over the bloody place, and yeah, wish you farewell. Hopefully you'll have another video early next week of me being in the field, just an overnighter, like I say, nothing special. So thanks once again. Hope you've enjoyed this short update, catching up on little odd jobs, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye everyone.